Alright, now I gotta find some lifter block parts. I need some screws. So are we gonna use these ones?
Sure.
We have one. How many blocks do we need?
2.
2?
Yeah.
We got one.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Probably in the mountains. Is that a problem?
Could be. Where'd the screws go?
We never had screws.
I thought. You sure? Oh yeah. Forgot about those. Comes with screws.
We had to spend some money. Or I had to spend some money. Oh, there's our screws.
All right.
To get the screws, I had to buy a lift box. Okay, which ones are the quarter 20s and 24s?
Couldn't tell you.
Can't you tell?
Ooh.
We didn't grab the black ones, did we?
No, you said get chrome.
Oh. You know why?
Because you hate chrome?
Because you're a big spender. They got chrome cam cover, chrome lifter blocks. I mean chrome rocker boxes.
Yeah.
So chrome lifter blocks makes sense. And we also have a what? Polished oil pump.
Yeah.
And we got chrome push rod covers, so if you put black there, it would kind of quite look the same. And I hate chrome anyway, but yeah, it's my motor. I'll put black on if I cared. Besides, chrome costs more. Okay, these appear to be fine thread, which means they're no good. That looks like coarse thread. That one. Maybe. No, definitely that one. I'm going to guess these two here, the coarse. This one definitely is. It's hard to tell.
Yeah. Right.
How many layers of plastic are in that package?
Quite a few.
Yeah. It's hard to see through all that plastic. Come on. It's a bitch not having any fingernails. Or a knife that's sharp. Hey, those look like coarse thread. Oh, those look like coarse thread too. Looks like you guessed right.
All right.
Blind eyeball still work at times. Okay, so. These are full of sharp edges and everything. Now, one way we can get away with those loose lifters was what? Because we have brand new blocks aren't worn yet.
Oh.
It's another reason why you can easily use a lifter.
Okay.
See, they're pretty tight.
Yeah.
Because everything's new. The problem is that's too tight. Looks like I'm going to go in a hole. Ah. Everything's trying to cut me today.
I don't know. You're having a bad day.
I just ran myself into that sharp edge down there and surprised it didn't bleed already. That's a problem. It's always nice when all this stuff fits together really nice.
That's a problem.
Did you hear the noise?
I did. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Yeah, it's got to burnish itself in. these are the good Taiwan ones too.
Oh, good.
You're just getting 3 of those. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You fixed it.
Not yet, but I'm working on it. Thinking that chrome might be a problem. It's getting there. Wear off the high spots. Yeah, good stuff. Like new. Not sure what hitting on because it's the roller's turning, so we hit the roller. Must be something over here on the side.
Yeah.
It's definitely not the roller.
And those are the old worn out lifters.
Yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, it's good quality stuff. Maybe it's just this one lifter. Maybe it's just one lifter.
Yeah. Look at that.
It must be the lifter. Yeah, this one's fine. That one's fine. This one's closer, but it's okay. This one here. Not happy. I don't know what part of it's not happy. I'm guessing some part that's roundish,
Yeah.
ain't happy. Smooth. Some of the scratches are heavy. There's no way this fine American-made lifter could be a problem.
No.
Gotta be this.
There you go.
Maybe that was the whole problem. There's some burrs on there somewhere. Just wanted to be worked over.
Yeah.
Make sure the bore's cleaned up. Alright, that wasn't a problem at all. It's a lifter issue. Well, not a lifter block problem. A lifter issue. Yeah, we fixed it. It would self-clearance itself anyway. It's a Harley. They like to clearance themselves. Now these are the right screws for this motor. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Must be a late case. Takes $1/4 They changed in 78, 77 they changed. Alright, I'm good with that. You good with those? I like those.
Yeah.
They're like brand new now. That was a minor hiccup. One of many. That's why it takes skill to put together an old motor.
Yeah.
To deal with all this crap that doesn't fit. New bikes, everything's give or take a yardstick that goes together. No fitting required at all. Yeah, one shim washer and the whole motor, and everybody ignores it. It's for the cam chain. Ah, they're fine. Chain's flexible.
Really?
Yeah, it's only shimming the whole motor in a twin cam.
Jeez.
Like an Evo shovel heads? Yeah. You got 15 damn washers you gotta worry about. Alright, I need a gasket. You got a gasket somewhere?
Yeah, two of them.
Are they both the same?
No.
They're different from each other?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You sure?
Well, they should be. I don't know if you grab different ones, but they should be.
We're assuming there wasn't two front lifter blocks in that hole.
Yeah.
How did I know that was a front gasket? Lucky guess, right?
Probably look at them once or twice.
Might know what they look like by looking at them.
Yeah.
Yeah, might resemble that remark. Now, if you don't put the oil in the right spot, guess what happens?
Blocks the oil.
Yeah, yes, it also doesn't bolt together because the gasket holes won't line up. Side benefit. Some goop once. Here's some goop. Okay, so now I have to lubricate these rollers. That's enough lube. Now these are already broken in, so there's no braking required.
Good to know.
Of course, they might have to be broken too, but it's okay. The cam's already broken in too, so it should be fine.
All right.
Probably none of these parts were nowhere near each other though. But it's okay. They're all the same. They didn't say they had to be broken into each other, did they? They just broke it in, right?
Yeah, I'm sure that's how that goes.
Yeah. Alright. Dirty. Now for the foreign part. I used to use my index finger, but it's way too fat now to go in these small holes. Pre-lube it. These are splash lubricated, so you want to make sure you lube these beforehand. It might take a week or two before the oil works its way up to them again.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get on me about scraping to get new chrome on the workbench now. Some guy was picking on me on my brand new cylinder heads. Brand new used cylinder heads are getting all scarred up on being on the workbench. Damn, hope I didn't hurt that any. Okay. Exhaust. Which one's the exhaust?
The rear one.
The inner one.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Inner, rear. Same.
It's actually the outer one.
So I was right. Killing me.
It's this one. Just the front one. Exhaust. Put on the outer one where it belongs. Be hydraulics that matters. At least they claim it does. I don't think it really does, but I think it still works either way. But theoretically it goes this way. Now, if you don't hold them like this forever and have the rollers fall out, they slip right in pretty easy.
Yeah. Just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Look at that fancy chrome in there. Yeah, these are all gooey now. Now these blocks are a little tight here. I don't know if they're going to go in the case very easy. Screws going nice. A lot better than the oil pump.
Yeah.
These are not zero fit screws. These are probably zero loose screws. Give or take a yard for being a 1/4 inch. So I need 6, right?
Yeah. There's a couple extra ones back there if you want to use them.
To find them first, they're hidden. Yeah, you know these are American screws.
Oh.
They're right on the head.
No. Of course.
And they fit. The Allen fits it. They're import screws. No, it's nothing would happen. And it's easy to tell where the hardware's from. The foreign stuff doesn't care who made it, so they don't put no markings on anything.
Yeah.
And you're supposed to wiggle those around and center them up too.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
They're not moving.
Must be centered.
They're tight in this case. Okay, there we go. Tight. 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 Tight on that one too. What's the torque on these?
Tight, but not too tight.
About that much.
About that much.
Hey, it turned over without sticking.
They all coming up and down?
Oh, making sure the lifters all go back down after they came up. See how they sink down?
Yeah.
Okay, those two are good. What about these two? Back down with gravity. Appear to be working like they're supposed to be. Get your lifters over here. Some of these are good and some are bad. I don't know which one's your which.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all bad. They're Harley. None of them are stuck. That's good. Remember I had that one that was stuck before?
Oh, yeah.
Now you can see the lifters going up and down easier. Good deal. Looks like a motor. You gotta put the gaskets in here, but I don't think we have any, do we? Here's what we're doing for push rods around here. Yeah. Alright, that's it for now.